welcome back to the V Experience. If you're new here, my name is Veronica, but you can call me V or Ronnie, whichever you prefer. I make hair, food, and lifestyle videos. So today I'm gonna do a quick hair video, just how I refresh my twist. So right now, this is like a week old, believe it or not. But it's been raining and my hair been getting wet, so now it's like all frizzy, and it looks like I ain't done my hair in weeks. But anyways. So this is what it looks like before. Rough, kind of dry. So we'll just go ahead and refresh these twists. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like. It's a lot more moist. You see a little bit red here, but this little agitation Yeah, but it's super frizzy, but this is just what it looks like up close. Alright, so I'm going to finish showering, and then after that, it's super basic, but I'm gonna just literally take out each twist, comb through it, apply product, and then retwist it, and then boom. Honestly, that takes about anywhere between 2.5 and 3 hours. I did have like 50 something twists before, but now it's like at 42 twists that I have. So this is what fresh twists are looking like. So I'm halfway done. So I did a combination of that curly gel and then the mousse. Not done. So yeah, so this is like an after right here. My left side, and then this is my right side. So you can definitely see the difference. This side is neater, more moist, fresh. This side is frizzy. It is moist, but you know, but it's just frizzy. Alright, so this is the final result. I did a combination of the mousse and the curling gel. I feel like the curling gel lays my hair down a little bit more at the roots opposed to the mousse. So you see this side, like, so I don't know if you can tell, but I think I'm gonna rock with the curling gel. But well, no, we'll see when everything's set and is dried up. I'm gonna go and put a scarf, tighten it around my head just so it can lay evenly. And then in the morning we'll see what it looks like. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Pretty simple, nothing extravagant. You don't need no luxury expensive products or anything, or tools at that. So yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.